Tools requirements are torx bit T15, T25, T30 and box socket 10 mm, one extension bar and one ratchet and one Phillips screwdriver. Now you can see the handle with a clip inside it. You can just pull it out, then pull that handlebar. Now you can see two screws, that is Phillips screws. You can just remove with a Phillips screwdriver. Then you can pull out this tutor. Now you can see torx screws side of the panels. There is two screws below the panel and two screws are right side of the panel also, that is lock side, so you have to remove also. After that you have to pull it upward, panel will came out. Then you have to remove some cables also, so you have to take it out by just pressing that clips to show it. Then you have to take out this door opening cable also. Then please keep it beside. Then take this cover out. Then you have to take out this speaker also by using Phillips screwdriver. You can easily take it out. Then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is 6 screws are there. You have to take it out using torx 25 screws, so it will come out. For changing the winder, you have to remove the hinges from the glasses, so it will come out. Now the glass is free from the winder. Then you have to pull it out upward and clip it something like paper or cardboard piece, and it will fix there. It will not came out. Now you can just take this winder. Before you take this winder, you have to take out this clip from the winder motor. After that you can take this winder, then you can take all that winder parts from the body. So now our winder is free from the door. Now you have to remove the motor by using a torx 30 screwdriver. You can loosen that 3 screws. The winder will come out. Our winder is already broken. The cables are broken already. Now our winder motor is free from the winder, so we can just clean that motor and we can take our new winder piece. You can see 3 clips are there. You have to remove it first, then only we can fix that motor using that 3 screws last we removed. You can fix it after aligning that motor with this winder cable. So now I just tighten this 3 screws. Then I am going to put it inside the door. Just take the motor part first, then I am taking that single part second. Then fix with that all screws, T25 torx 25 screws. We just fixing that winder. You have 6 screws are there, you have to fix it. Then you have to fix this clip also. by just clipping it and press it simultaneously. It is now tightened. Okay, then you have to tighten all screws well. Now we have to check that winder is working or not. Just put that cable for the switch of the winder motor. So you have to on that ignition of the car, then only winder will work. We can just check. Oh, it is working. It's working. Don't make it up because our glass is there, so we can just make it underside of the door and just put our glass down with our hand. I'm just taking that glass to the hinges, so I have to kept in between that hinges. Before we keeping that hinges, we have to loosen it so that there is some gaps, so that we can easily put that glass between that hinges. Then you have to tighten it like this, so it's tight right now. Then we can check it. Okay, it's going up and down. After that you have to put these speakers by using Phillips screwdriver. Then you have to set this cover, taking out all this cable, so it should be outside. These parts should be outside of that cover. Then you have to fix this cable to the door lock opening, and you have to take it out the two cables for the tutor, and you have to take that stick part that is just door opening lock should be out. This cable should be out. Then after that you have to fix these torx screws left side under the panel and right side of the panel. 6 screws we have to fix using T15 torx screwdriver. After fixing it, you have to fix these 2 screws. Then you have to put this tutor also, just pressing that panel. So now you have to put this handlebar and just press. A click sound will come and it's locked, and we have to put that lock clip so it will not came out from the door panel. Now we can test is working. Okay friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please press that bell icon. So see you next time. Bye.